Hello dear viewers, today we are going to learn about how to collaborate with other YouTube channel. It's pretty simple and easy. This video is fully dedicated on this only. If you want to learn more about tech tips and tricks, then do subscribe our channel and support us for more tech-related videos. Let's start the video. These are my two channels which we are going to collaborate between. Open your first channel and then go to Manage Videos. You can directly open your YouTube studio also. I am going to collaborate a short video. Choose the video you want to collaborate. Scroll down and you will get Collaboration section. There is an option, Invite a Collaborator. Click it. Then after, just search for channel. Sometimes your channel can't be seen just by searching, so go to Other Channel and copy their handle name and just paste. Your channel will appear at top for collaboration. Then allow analytics viewing, and then after you will get a link. Just copy the link and paste anywhere for further click. After sending link, don't forget to save that collaboration. Otherwise, Collaboration Accept option will not be visible to other channel. Then, after open the link, you will get all details about the first channel who wants to collaborate with you. Below you will see an Accept option. Just accept it. Now you have collaborated with the other channel. Your video will be seen in the collaboration section in Other Channel. Thank you for watching up to here with this much patience. Hope you liked my video and subscribed my channel. Thank you. Have a great day today.